So I've gone and brought something else to be building, and it's a go-kart. Something I've always wanted, and I've got it for personally I think I've got it for a really good deal, a bargain. It cost me 150 quid. And the next thing you're about to say is, what kind of go-kart can you get for 150 quid? And the answer to that is, I don't use decide. So it's what I can see so far. It's WTP race can, and exhaust and carb. The fuel was absolutely dirty as hell, and the filter is. So I'm going to replace the filter and the fuel. Add some 2-stroke oil into it. Put some down with spark plug oil just to help it, because I think it's ran just on fuel. Take it for a spin and see how it goes from there. Really, see if it's any good, and see if it's worth rebuilding. So let's crack on with that, and soon we do that. Soon we take a full drive. So let's go. Hands are freezing. So I've done about, I think I left my camera recording. It's too dark outside, but I've done about 20 minutes on this thing, and it works. I've got to restrict the airflow, otherwise it won't conks out. As soon as you do like half a turn, it'll conk out again. So you've got to struggle to start it. The pull cord is so tight; it needs to be longer. The steering wheel steering out completely. As soon as you go on one side, it's fucking lifting up. Yeah, so I think as soon as I rebuild a carb and adjust the fucking airflow and the fuel flow into it, and sort this steering out on these little fucking steering rod arms, which are fully adjustable. Need to make the seat a bit bigger and send it backwards, and then we'll give it a spin. But to be fair, for 150 quid you can have quite a lot of fun. And I had it sideways round the bends, but I'd even have to try and cup it to stop the air coming through, or keep tapping it, but I don't know. I think it's worked quite well. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm going to store it, put it in stores while I finish the other 2 projects off, and we will get back to this, and we might put a 125 engine on it, or just build a complete frame from scratch and use it for a hill climb. But I'll have a think on that, and thanks for watching. Hope you check in for my other videos, and check in for the part 2, well I wouldn't say part 2, but episode 2 for this thing, and see what we end up doing with it. So I'll see you all in a bit.